How to turn off live notifications from accounts you follow on TikTok. Today guys, I will show you and teach you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in our channel. So let's start. First you will just go to TikTok and open it, and then when you open TikTok you will just go down and open your profile. Then when you open your profile, go to this three line here, click on it, then go to settings and privacy, click on it, and then go to notification, open it. After this you will just go down and go to live notification settings, click on it, and now you turn off this option by clicking here on this place like this. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and if you have any question you can write it down in comments, and see you next video.